don't hesitate to visit a Coffee and Cars or a car show that's nearby, and get to know some of those people that work with those, because you'll learn so much. And if you plan to restore a car or do something with a vehicle, don't hesitate to come in and talk to people. Okay, just like Jim's going to do. He has this gentleman here with an absolutely beautiful Mustang.
Yep, you hopefully can see it through the table there. Just tell us who you are, where you're from, and what you're driving.
Hey guys, my name is Manny Falcon. I live in Athens, Georgia. I got a 2020 Shelby GT500.
What do you like about it?
Oh, the power. It's got 760 horse. And,
just in case?
Just in case you need it. It'll get up and go. It's rowdy.
You got somebody with you. It looks like you got a car full. Yeah. Who's in the back? Yeah, he sees the mini motorcycle. We're all going to see that in a minute.
Jim, let me ask the question here. Manny,
yes, sir.
Manny, many years ago, I don't know exactly when, but we had a drone race.
Yes, sir. The first drone race in Augusta.
Yeah, the first drone race in Augusta, Georgia. Manny won, and you got a trophy for that.
I still got that trophy. It's in my son's room.
I tell you, that was one of the wildest things I've seen.
Yeah.
They were just lined up in chairs across an area, and all had goggles on. And these things were just, crazy going around the track.
Yes, sir. We had a good time that day, for sure.
Yeah. And, man, that is an absolutely beautiful vehicle you have there.
Thank you.
And it's the right color.
It is.
Race red.
Red. Because you see,
298 race reds were made in 2020 of the Shelby GT500.
So why, gosh, that surprises me. I would think that would be right up there.
Yeah.
How much horsepower does that vehicle have?
760. Yeah, and it might have a little more. It's been a little modified.
Yeah. Something happened?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, and it's in beautiful shape. You're keeping it well.
Yes, sir.
And it's good that you had company today.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, go find your
friends.
Manny, I'm hoping that one of the modifications is a radar detector.
Oh, you know it. That's a must. I already got one right here.
Well, go find your favorite shady spot. Thanks for stopping.
Guys. Hey, good seeing y'all. Thank you.
Good to see you, too.
Right. Absolutely.
Yeah.
There you go. You stick around here long enough, you'll just see anybody. Is that it? Like Times Square.